back to the channel. Today going to be working on going back to the MX-5 and we're going to be working on that. Today we're going to be restoring the MX-5 steering rack. It's all crusty, proper crusty, and we don't want to be putting that back on with all the nice clean stuff on the MX-5, so I'm going to be restoring this today. So to start, I'm just going to go ahead and strip it all down or dismantle all the parts, and then once they're all dismantled we're going to be able to clean them up. I'm going to go ahead, get straight into it, and I'm just going to go ahead and start dismantling it. We got everything all sandblasted. We got all these all the brackets all sandblasted, and we also used the DOXC solution to get any of metal rust that was just they couldn't get in the pits with the sandblasting, because it's not too it doesn't take too much material away, which is what we want. And we got the steering rack all sandblasted as well. And this part here is from factory, is not does not get painted, so we're just gonna paint this side, and then we cleaned up that so it looks back to factory standard. So I'm pretty much all done with the sandblasting. Now we're going to be going on and coating all these parts. So we're going to be painting a lot of that. We're going to be doing two things. We're going to be painting, and then we're also going to be just zinc plating all these brackets. And we got these here hoses that we're just going to clean up as well.
Five minutes later.
Alright, we got everything all completed and back together. I don't want to put it completely back to the way I took it apart because I'll start putting it all back together whenever I put it in the car, but everything is all cleaned up, and we got the rubbers over there all cleaned up as well. Won't focus, but yeah, we got them all cleaned up, all the parts are looking good. Came out pretty nice. Some bits obviously not great, we still need to clean this here up because it's a bit dirty, but other than that everything is perfect. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed just me cleaning and restoring all these pieces. And in the next video I should be bringing the MX-5 back in and bolting up all these parts back up and getting in, and then just then continuing on with building the MX-5 up so we can get it to run again. But anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.